Good morning, everybody. Today's Tuesday, and that means Talk Tuesdays. Talk Tuesdays, where we talk to you. It's Talk Tuesdays with me. I'm Lisa Z. Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's video, guys. I'm super excited. And why, you may ask? Because this video is not going to be like the normal Talking Tuesdays. And I know that last week I said that I wanted to get back to being like so real with you guys and, you know, talk about serious stuff. Well, listen, I'm going to be real. The excitement on what I'm feeling right now is super real. So, and that's because my ultimate warm palette came in the mail yesterday, so I can finally compare that to the Urban Decay Naked Heat. And I purposely have not touched either one of these, so that way I could do this video. Now the question is how come nobody swatches on their face? How come it's always like on their arm? Is it because there's more room here? What is it? Because my arm and my face are two totally different colors. Because whenever you're like, people go, oh, you're supposed to test your foundation on your arm. Honey, my arm is so much whiter than my face. My face is red. My arm is yellow. I don't know why people do. I just don't know. And it's been something that I've been thinking about. Been kind of like, what in the world's going on here? So guys, I'm going to swatch on my face today. And mind you, I have no idea how I'm going to do this, but we're going to do it anyway. So really quick comparison. This has 16, as you can see here. And this one has 12. So now there are definite similarities here. Like this is no joke. Like there are definite like woes. Like, yeah, you can totally see the difference. So I really don't know how I'm going to do this because I feel like there are certain colors in here that are just not comparable to the colors in here and vice versa. So I guess we're just going to go ahead and get started with, I'm going to try this pinky warmy kind of color here. Where are we going to start it at? Right here? Okay, that looks good. Now I'm going to try to do this in like some sort of order here. Okay. Oh, by the way, I did prime my face with the Urban Decay eyelid primer. My entire face is like completely primed. Okay, so that's very similar. I'm digging it. I honestly can't tell you which one I did first. So let's move on to the next. I'm trying to go in like order of the Urban Decay one here. The next one is it's called Chaser, and I'm thinking that it's going to be this one. Okay, there's that one. I might have picked the wrong color. Ooh, whoa. Did that even show up? Okay, so that was not right. That one was definitely a lot darker than... Okay, now I see why people don't swatch on their face, because this is very annoying, because you're like, ah, look at my double chin. Okay, yeah, so there's those three there in a row. Okay, let's see. Let's go on to this next sauce color. This is really irritating because I really don't know. Ah! This is me getting frustrated because I'm like, crap, what am I? Okay, how about we just do some of the colors that I feel like are super obvious. I really should have just done this on paper, but we're going to try it anyway. So I'm drawn to this middle color here. I'm just going to go all over the place here. So let's go here. Whoa, that's pretty. Okay, so I think that one's pretty comparable to the scorched color here. Let's see. Yeah, I'm thinking that it's going to be one of those. So let's see here. One. Ooh. Okay, then the other color that I thought looked very similar to that. Oh. Okay, it was just like blended in together. Wow, guys. Wow. Okay, these are a little bit dusty. Okay, there's this one color here. Try it there. And then let's see, what color do I think is close to that? Ooh, okay. There's some colors in here that are like very close to each other. Oh my gosh. I look like somebody just like put war paint all over me. Okay, wow. Yeah, these colors are definitely very similar here. I'm going to try this dark brown color here that I think is so pretty. Let's carve it here. Whoa. Okay. So I'm going to take that one and I'm going to use this Ember. Let's go right there. Whoa. Guys, look at that. That is almost, oh, it's like identical. Wow. Okay. So they do have a couple matte shades in both. So I'm going to try this matte, really dark color here. Let's try it on this side. Okay, so that's like almost black. And I'm going to try Ashes from the Decay palette. Ooh, that is definitely more brown. Ooh, okay, but it's super buildable, so that's a plus. Okay, let's try another color situation here. There's not really too many golds in the Heat palette, and I'm noticing that, but there's also more like rosy tones in the Rose palette, so I'm thinking that I should have got a piece of paper. That's what I'm thinking, because there's definitely more neutrals in here than in this. So I'm trying to look at, like, I'm looking at both of them, and honestly, like, I've tried almost all of the red colors and like the browns, but there's like, well, this one's called He Devil. Okay, that's really pretty. Now, here's a matte that I've already tested on my face, though. Oh, no, see, those are very similar. Like, it's going to be... I am going to wipe all this off, and that's going to be another test. So, let's see here. We've tried almost all of them. There's one called Sauced that we haven't tried. So, here's Sauced. And that was a kind of shimmery. Let's try it. No. Nope. Let's try the one next to it. Nope. Let's try... Yeah, nope. There's nothing else in this palette comparable. So, as you can see, I've got a lot of colors now on my head. There is one called Low Blow that is a matte brown. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, that's going to be... Now, see, that one I'm thinking would be comparable to this one, but it's not. So, guys, the only one I haven't touched yet is Dirty Talk. Let's try that one. Ooh! Oh, wow, that's really pretty. And I'm going to compare it to that. Okay, yeah, those just kind of like blended right in together, didn't they? There are a couple... Okay, now we've done all of them. We've done all the pretty neutral-y colors here. Okay, I'm just going to use this side of my face here. Okay, so these are actually like super... Oh my gosh, these feel like velvet. God, I love NYX palettes. I just do. There's more gold shades, I feel, in the NYX palette than there are in the Urban Decay palette. Because I feel like we're getting like they're still warm, but I feel like they're still, like, it's a different thing of warm compared to this one. I mean, the colors are definitely very similar, and I definitely love them, but I feel like this one, I don't know. It's weird. Maybe I'm just doing this video all wrong and whatever, but look, I haven't even touched this one yet. Let's see, what's that one comparable to? Oh, see, look, now that could be up there. And we haven't even touched this one yet. So see, there are definite similarities. Like, you can definitely see. Okay, what color haven't I touched yet? Did we do this one? Ooh, whoa. Okay, wow. I barely touched that. See, there's definitely similarities. Like, that one I feel is very close to this one. See, now, because they're not in order and I'm doing this all freaking wrong, but I'm having fun, and that's all that matters, folks. Did I do this gold? I don't remember. Did I? Did I do this gold? Oh, gold! Good highlight color. Wow. Okay, so now that I have touched every single one of these colors, at least I think I have. Did I do this one? Oh, I must have, because it's like super... Wow! Okay. Alright, so here's my face. Here it is. All completely covered in eyeshadow. Okay, there are definite similarities. Overall, looking at my face now, I can definitely see that I probably should have done this on paper. So, one thing that I want to do is... You guys probably cannot take me seriously right now. Is, I think on my... Coming up, I'm going to do a eye video where I'm going to put one eye as with the same general colors and one one with NYX and one with Urban Decay and see how that works. Now guys, this is going to be the fun part. And I'm excited because I have like so much stuff to do today. Like I'm going to be painting rocks, hopefully. So I'm going to take a Neutrogena makeup remover cleansing towelette, and here's the other test, because I didn't do this with the brights versus the electric palette because it was on paper. So one thing that Urban Decay is totally known for is the long lastingness. So I'm gonna see how well some of this comes off. Is anything gonna come off really easy? Is it gonna stay on? What's going to go on here? Because I'm wondering if that's going to be how you can really tell which is which. So, let's see. I'm sorry I'm not like actually looking at you guys because I'm having to look at the thing here. Wow. Okay. Well, here's my disgusting face here. And as you can see, certain colors are still here. So... like, I feel like I could already... oh my gosh. I'm going to have to take my glasses off. Okay, so now that my face looks like I have a really weird funky tan, I feel like you can tell where the Urban Decay colors were. I really do. Because look at my face. There are still spots where the makeup is. Where the makeup still is. Like, those are the spots. Oh my gosh, there's like that spot right above my eyebrow. I'm surprised that the dark colors came off so easily. Well, I'm still getting stuff off though, look. Look at this. I'm still getting it off. So, guys, I would say that if you want to save some money and buy the, you know, if you want to do the heat palette, but you don't want to spend as much money as what it is, I would definitely say go for it. Go for the ultimate, the NYX Ultimate, because I feel like it is definitely very similar. I feel like you do get a lot of the same shades. I don't necessarily know. I feel like it's almost like a personal preference because, like I said, this one definitely has more neutral, like, base setting colors and not as many reds. And that one has more golds in it. And this one is loaded with reds. Definitely more neutral, or more warm, I should say. But they are definitely very similar. Definitely got a lot of good stuff going on here. If you want to splurge, splurge. If you don't want to splurge, then don't. And just stick with this one. You can get this one on Target.com for $17.99. If you use your red card, you get that extra 5%. All that good stuff. Also, if you do get the beauty box, you can use that coupon online as well. So, at least you should be able to. Don't shoot me if you can't, but you should be able to. So that will definitely save you some money as well. So, now for another test. How well does my lip gloss come off? Because, guys, I don't want to wear any makeup today. I'm home. I'm doing laundry. I gotta go eat. Okay. So these makeup removing wipes are amazing. And this video is super long. If you are still watching this, I am so sorry. So, oh, that's actually the leftover stuff from the Maybelline. Ooh, this stuff feels really weird on your lips. All right, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm still seeing it. There's still stuff on me. All right. I will see you guys next time. I'm sorry this video was so long and so everywhere. I probably should have planned it a little bit better, but I couldn't take it anymore. I had to do what I had to do. All right, guys. I'll see you next time.